In this video, we will start basics before starting physics, and today we will discuss logarithms. We know 81 equals to 3 raised to the power 4. So in other language, that is in logarithms, we say log 81 to the base 3 equals to 4. How we will spell this? Log 81 to the base 3. In general, we call it as if n equals to a to the power x, then log n to the base a is x. As we know, something the power 0 equals to 1, therefore log 1 to the base something is 0, and a की power 1 is a, therefore log of a to the base a equals 1. Now we move to logarithmic formulae. How we can deal with them? If it is given log mn to the base a, then we can write it as log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. This is product formula, and in quotient formula, log m by n to the base a can be written as log base a m minus log base a n. Power formula, log m to the power n to the base a, this power comes out n log base a m. This is how it works. Now base change formula, if we want to change the base from a to b, like if we want to express log m to the base a to log m to the base b, the thing which is multiplied is it will be log of b to the base a. This number will be multiplied. Now further moving, as we seen before, log 81 to the base 3 is 4. Since 3 to the power 4 is 81, so if we raise the power both side, that is for you say log 3 to the power log 81 to the base 3 equals to 3 to the power 4. As both are equal, so if we raise the power, the quantity of both sides will be equal. That implies 81 equals to 3 to the power 4. So let's see. In general, if a log a to the base a x will be equals to x. Here x is 81 and this is a general case. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe my channel बोलते नोट्स, क्योंकि लिखने से ही क्लैरिटी आती है. थैंक यू.